5 seconds.
You hide right on me.
Oh. Oh.
Fuck you.
If I'm going down,
Oh.
take you with me.
This is going to go really bad.
I'm trying to be quiet.
You fucking bastard.
This is going to go really bad.
Oh, really good. What do you mean?
I'm playing Blitz.
Yeah,
I
hell
don't play Shield Ops.
Just run, flash, and melee.
That's all you really gotta do.
You no need to aim, no need to shoot. If you're gonna shoot, keep firing. You're gonna land a headshot eventually.
Yo, they got Clash over here.
I killed the shit out of that goddamn you can.
They got a
Hey,
Clash
come over here.
over by
I
me.
must break the wall. I must break the wall.
Oh.
You must break the wall without me now. You must break the wall. Break the wall, Harry. Break it.
Yo, there's a shield with a
What do you
Doc,
mean? I'm
Doc.
breaking the wall.
Thank you.
This is me breaking the wall.
No shit, that is Clash. Shoot her down. There you go. Shoot her down.
4 last stop standing.
Give him the dick. Give him the dick.
No.
Give him the dick.
Secure the container once the threat is neutralized.
I came behind them.
Op 4 neutralized.
You should have flashed me.
Yes.
You just see her pistol at me, and I'm like,
Christ.
This was a dumb round. The thing is though, this wasn't even the stupidest round.
I know.
Okay, we got this. We got this, my dudes.
We out here. We're burning walls down.
Oh, tummy kisses. The true meme. Run the bailiff.
Wakanda forever.
oh no.
I'm not running the bailiff, by the way. That's too much of a meme for me. Oh!
You built the wall. I break the wall.
You must try.
Try it.
Oh,
Barricade the room.
you see. You see. Break wall. This is wall. Bad wall.
I got this side.
Oh my god. Just yes.
Container.
This is amazing.
Hi.
What is this?
Don't forget this wall.
What is this game even?
Don't forget this wall.
Which one? Oh, the wall.
It's good. It's clean. Stop.
Op 4 drone is located.
Hold up.
higher
Calm
on
down.
the container.
Calm down. Calm down. Calm down.
This wall.
No, no,
This
no.
wall.
No, no, no. No, no.
Oh my goodness.
It's perfect. What do you mean? Scotty.
Where do I? Okay. Okay.
This is amazing. I love this. This is amazing. Right here, right here.
Yeah, I know.
What?
I break the wall.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
What is happening?
Fuck.
What is
Over
happening?
here, over here, over here, over here. Oh shit. Oh, you wasted him. Over here, there's a cap towel.
Oh fuck! No, no, no.
Move.
Right here, right here, right here. Yeah, buddy. There's another one, another one, another one. Ash.
She must learn to break the wall. She wants to win.
She wearing down the hallway. Oh my god, this is nasty.
You think? You think this is nasty?
This is toxic as fuck. I'm getting poisoned purely by being a part of this. Up here, up here. Got another one. Fuse,
I see.
Fuse, it's fuse.
I see. I see. Move.
Both of them. It's the last two right here.
You break the wall.
Oh my! Oh!
All over these kids, my guy.
No more wall.
Dude, we shitted on these kids. We shit.
Oh my god. No more wall.
No
No
more.
more.
No more.
I've got cancer.
Dude.
I can't see.
Dude.
Oh, it hurts.
Oh my god.
No more wall.
Jaeger,
No more.
thanks for introducing me to tummy kisses. This is
You're
a great
welcome.
this is a great relationship.
Oh yeah, trust me. I was just like, dude, Dez is gonna love this kid.
No more wall. It's gone. No more.
You don't get one.
Dang, you guys are all choosing ops? Nasty. Harrison at least is following the real meme. Oh no. Dang, he's going recruit.
He's going old-fashioned meme.
Wait,
He
I have
has
the
that one.
LMG on Finca. No wait, hold up.
Yes.
Yeah, there we go. I have the AR.
Locate the
Oh
biohazard
dang!
container.
God dang it! I switched to the AR. I should have had the shotgun. No!
You must break the wall.
I'm killing myself. I don't know what the shotgun came on me.
I don't know. Oh, there they are.
Where are they actually?
I think they're basement.
Probably. Yo, they got castle again. And
Yeah, they're
Clash.
basement.
They're
First
kitchen,
floor,
kitchen,
first
kitchen,
floor.
kitchen,
Well done.
kitchen,
Biohazard
kitchen,
container
kitchen.
located.
They got
They have a
Clash.
gear. Okay.
She's gonna
Oh my
wait
God,
on the
I think
second
they're
floor.
running- I
Clash
think
is
they're
gonna
running
wait
the
on the
same
second
thing.
floor. Actually, no, she's not. She went down.
5 seconds to go.
Oh, this is a stupid idea.
Proceed to the biohazard
See, they're not doing it right. They gotta break.
Okay, all right, I
Go,
get
go,
it.
go, 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 go. Only press W. Monka S. The W is the only way.
Oh, y'all some pussies.
I died.
Oh,
Yo. Clash is over there. Unless she's dead, she's dead. Okay.
she's dead.
Oh, my life is useless now. Okay.
Oh Jesus, I don't have another.
Hey, you go in
oh,
that small room to the left, and there's a hole, and there's a Jaeger underneath there, behind the desk.
Oh my God. Oh shit!
From
Oh my
upstairs,
God.
dude.
I didn't see that.
Oh wait, we might get defense if we do this. He needs to die. We need defense. We need
All
defense.
friendlies
Come on,
have been
beam.
eliminated.
We're
We got
defense.
defense.
We need defense. We need defense. Dude, I bet they're so confused and triggered at the same time as to why we are winning on defense when we break down the wall. Defense, let's go. We're doing this. We are doing this right now, my dudes.
They killed the playable shield off, then they took ball.
Oh my god. Real talk, Clash is trap.
Clash has a big dick, bro. I'm telling you, she is the wall.
To protect the biohazard container. Secure
Oh.
Oh, do it.
Oh,
do it to him.
oh, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Tommy, not there. Come over here. Tommy.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Jesus fucking Christ.
It's not done.
Oh my God. Fuck. Oh my God. Where they coming at? Where they coming at? Yes.
There is like no safe angle. Oh!
Oh no. Over here. Oh my god, that was nasty. You killed that Capito with extreme prejudice. Jesus.
No one survived the wall. Because we break the wall.
This meme.
Where's she at? Where's they at?
Over
Hey,
here.
right there?
Over here. Over here.
Goodbye.
Op 4, last stop standing.
They're over here, I think.
I killed Sledge.
Friendly victorious.